And they hear me whine on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. And this is the Ogbonge program will give you license to talk about CDB you for body. As in the hot, today now 9 days to the March 28th presidential elections inside this Obodo, Nigeria. It can't be like the only presidential election that we talk about, but everybody knows that that election are in the hot pass. As we count down on top of us in the hot, we discuss everything when they lead into the election. And the one we will carry come today now something when we say, hey, it don't generate plenty talk for inside our Obodo, Nigeria. On March 17th, gist come out say our government, they don't announce the reduction by 50% of power money, that is the money when we they pay for light, say they don't reduce them by 50%, starting from April 1. Some people can look and say, yes, say this action when our government take. Now, because they care about Nigerians. Other people can look and say, you they reduce money of NEPA a few days to election. Say na strategy, and my brother went sabi well on top of this matter. When we throw them down, we go let you chook them out on top to see whether na good mind or monkey hand they inside.
Good morning, Nigerians, and welcome to another edition of As They Hot. And also now they wonder why I wear suit today. Anyway, now me know why, and that reason go stick with me. Chukwu don't launch the matter, and in fact, now matter we call for concern because I know Nigerians, of course, if we open the phone line eventually, we now go share on our own mind, talk about Sibina for body over power sector, whether the idea of this reduction, whether it you understand, whether now something way what time I be now waiting. I be maybe now because of say some political hand they say okay, make we take make we give them so that they will say yes to the work, all those kind of things. And as usual, may I not also forget say the time to call go reach, and as usual we go open our phone lines and wait for us to even dash na 3 phone lines. I mean now to tell and say yes because of say we get so much love for now. 3 solid phone line and 1 toll-free line. Wait till we toll-free line. We now go they call. Nigerians nearly that is everybody go to hear now, but the payment to call now we go to do one. And may I not forget say yes, the program they do it in the day to enlighten people on political matter. My name never see change. My name now Unkubi, and this now As They Hot. Thank you very much.
Yes, Unkubi, you go need tell them what you tell me before I try and give you. You talk say the reason why you wear suit now because of say as it be say one of now or guard them. Don't you can't be like say so you don't want the switch. Say you yourself can't decide, say make you change your style. I know say people go call you to congratulate, say okay, as you don't see say this transformation agenda, you want to transform into suit. Now very good.
See the idea of suit. I'll go back to my normal self tomorrow if now what you want here. This suit now condition call for them. Now me know why I wear them. Chukudi, forget about suit. Let us go into the matter of today. I mean why this for way don't they charge since we don't enter your house, even since 1 hour ago. You go need to find solution to them. Because I need to charge my own phone too.
Why you
because
go?
I cannot imagine we could carry phone come from house. Well light no day. Can't they charge them for office? Nigerians not here. Can't they charge them for office? So that I tell you say look, NEPA issue, powers issue, now something of serious interest for this country. We will also help boost the economy. But we know they see them.
No, it could be not be matter of whether they charge phone. Not be the matter what they talk about. You understand? Because
the reason why wait make you carry phone come from your house to this place?
I make a lot of calls. I take a lot of calls.
You make a lot of calls. You don't ask me say what make me carry my own phone from house come here.
You know we know where you live now. They do wrong connection.
The same condition where come here. The same condition.
Come struggle to charge phone.
The same condition.
Me I take a lot of calls. Now I make me carry my phone.
Now me know they take calls.
No, you can.
Now me know they take calls.
No, speak for yourself. I'm speaking for myself.
You know they take calls because the way to make you carry phone come because no light for your house in the past 2 weeks.
Who tell you say no light?
No, you tell me secretly.
Who tell you say no light?
Because today national TV, no one tell Nigerians. No, you tell me say nah, Chukubi. Nah, to tell you the truth, NEPA they try you. We no get light.
Me tell you.
Yes, you tell me.
You could be fear God though.
You tell me. Look, if I lie, If I lie, make I naked bath.
You see, I
make I naked bath if I lie.
Nigerians, make we talk true. Make look me, look Nkubi. Who be like who come for where light no day.
Now you carry phone.
I take a lot of calls.
Carry this one come because one can charge phone here.
No, this one because of the NEPA issue we won't talk. Now make us bring them out. Not can change what me and you agree because now NEPA make us agree.
Hey.
Yes, our people went there for us. Now self join us on top of this discussion. We did on top of Facebook, go to the Wazobia fan page. Anywhere where you see our thread, comment. We did on top of Twitter too. At TV at the Hot. And we get to website where if you send us email at thehot at wazobiatv.tv. Nkubi, no need to make noise. I won't make you the acknowledge. Say now the love when Oga President gets for us.
Now slash NEPA tariff this into 50%.
By 50%. Remember, say just 2 months ago, excuse me, sir.
2 months ago, okay.
Just 2 months ago, our Oga President come out 10 naira. A whole 10 naira. 10 naira when plenty like this. Oga President come out for fuel money from 97 to 87. Una come out, they talk
when the international cost for fuel money don't even slash by more than that amount wey they mention.
But no be
even more than half of it they mention. Why you not also follow that trend? Say okay. As this thing they go, make also they follow that trend. If they come out 1 hour, we say go come out 1 hour from Nigeria. If you come out, we will also come. Make the other slash on that way. Make we not say yes. No, come give them the excuse say we they depend on oil.
Thank you. Thank God say use your. Thank God say use your mouth. Thank God say use your mouth. Talk. How is it not an excuse? See our economy they dependent on oil.
That's not how they will take plan these things since. Set up things where go pay us off eventually.
Thank God. You talk say they go. Excuse me. Nkubi, you talk say Nkubi, not let me vex.
Nkubi,
not let me.
Now political gimmick.
Which political gimmick?
Political strategy.
Which political strategy?
9 days to election.
Which
So the best way to just
look at the intention.
Way to see,
look at the intention, not the action.
We need to convince Nigerians to say we dey work. We dey work. Say our government dey work. But we no say them dey work. And for that reason, what can we do? So no. Make we slash NEPA money. We don't say like no they did. We know that one. We don't say like no they. But make we even make them happy more. Make we slash money. Make we come out 50%.
This one where you
go even make them happy because anyway, you know say once we don't come back to power, that is if they go ever come back to power, we will feel raise them again.
Nkubi, you know as you dey sound.
Why are they sound?
You dey sound like who no prepare for exam. When exam come dey reach, he come begin dey pray say, God, send down rain on the day of the examination.
All the examination wey I don write, I dey prepare for am. And now he give me the level I dey today, Chukudi. Oh, make I do.
Now you come here, come dey complain, say government reduce power money by 50%. Is it not a good thing? No. Is it not a good thing?
It is not a good thing.
Why it be say una dey always dey see? Why it be say una dey always dey see bad thing for the action of government?
It is not a good thing.
Government reduce fuel money, una complain. Government don reduce power money, una complain. If you dey pay, if you see your NEPA bill, no pay complete. No pay complete.
Under the same government, we don see increase in power bills. We don't see them. Okay, let us also look at
our problem. We know they see so. Our problem. We know they see. Now this same government come privatize. Now this same government come privatize.
See, when before this current government enter power, waiting be the generational power we will get. We will get over 3,000 megawatts.
And under the same government, we generate the highest.
4,000 megawatts.
We generate the highest.
Okay, no, 3,000 megawatts. Okay, when Yar'Adua come, you can't increase them to 4,000. Okay, right now, under the leadership of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, we've seen a decline.
Because of sabotage.
Chukudi,
because of sabotage.
You keep bringing sabotage as an excuse. You know jail.
Nkubi,
sabotage is not an excuse.
Nkubi, may I ask you one question?
It is a political strategy.
Make I ask you one question.
That's what I say it as.
For this whole country, for this whole full country, which word after hallelujah and hello popular pass? No be up NEPA. No be from small for this country with a shout up NEPA for inside this country. But the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan don't allow for privatization for this sector. This same government released $1 billion.
Privatization.
When people don't do for 20 years.
What have we seen about this privatization?
It's a gradual process. Nigeria getting independence.
The same privatization they mentioned.
The
same privatization they mentioned. Who are these companies that sell them to?
You say wait.
Chukudi,
Chukudi, this one I like this.
Chukudi,
you cannot confuse Nigeria. So long as I'm here, you will not confuse Nigerians.
This is it. Nigerians, I better take your time. Then I go to my own research. Then I find out these people that said these things so. Wetin be their strength? Wetin be their this thing? Experience they don't
Korea
get.
Electric Power Co.
So far.
Korea Electric Power Co. Which company be? Siemens, which company be? LG, which company be?
They don't get website.
This is a fallacious statement.
A track record of wetin they
This is a fallacious statement.
In power sector.
This is a fallacious statement.
Prince from Kaduna, good morning. Good morning, Prince.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Prince.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Unkubi. I know say even though you know one show up for national TV, you don't come back to us now.
Thank you. You don't wear suits now. You don't wear suits.
As you wear suits, so
no, that is not an excuse.
You is an excuse.
It's not an excuse.
You they claim radical before, they claim union. You don't wear suits now. Before you they dress like Oshomole.
For NEPA issue. You understand, but a very good idea.
Thank you very much.
This one is one of the problems of this country. See, one thing with Nigeria, we say sometimes we be very, very ungrateful. This now problem will be say everybody they cry. Most people they cry for us, they don't get light for house, they don't get light for 2 weeks. And now they don't bring solution. You understand? At least we reduce them by 50%. This was supposed to be happy, say, even though at least the election, as long as say we enjoy. Now also supposed to be look that. Nobody was supposed to be talk say monkey and the inside or baboon and the inside.
Oga Prince, monkey and they there.
Now you put the monkey hand.
Monkey and they there.
Now you put the monkey hand.
Now there's election. Monkey and they there.
Monkey and they there. We go stay and join because one of the problems with the capital.
Oh, thank you very much. Oga Prince, thank you very much. You don't make very important points.
So
Oga Prince don't make very important
points. This is what I see it as.
What do you see it as?
I won't be surprised.
No, what do you see it as?
As in Nigeria, I don't go there surprised.
Unkubi, you don't make me vex on all this. You don't make me vex on all this. And for that, you know go charge this your phone.
I go charge jam.
You know go charge this your phone.
You will not stop me from not charging my phone.
You know go charge this your phone.
Where you bring phone come from house.
Not be me and you.
So you can't charge phone.
I take a lot of calls. Now make me
take a lot of calls. Harry, you go also tell me good morning, Harry. Go tell me whether anyway. Harry, good morning. Hello, Harry, you there?
You don't take voice for sure. You don't take voice for sure. Person call, hello, Henry, you go, Henry, you go.
Henry, are you there?
You see him? You see what you do?
No, they accuse me of it now.
I always take a lot of calls. Now make me can't charge phone for here. We know where you they stay now. When I do wrong connection, you come on the chat phone.
There's no point addressing. Okay, maybe we'll look into this.
You make one fallacious statement. Say who be the people who get this company? Hey. Now what you want? They always talk.
And I was still.
And I got the mention some of these companies.
Nigerians, I beg. At your convenient time, I go research. Say okay, who be the people they sell all these things to? Okay, what so far? What be their track record, and what they don't achieve over time on the issue of power sector in the past years, and in fact, we can see the typical example of it. We say example
Korea Electric Power Co.
We say example of what they achieve in Nigeria.
These are three big companies I just mentioned now.
Megawatts don't drop down from 4,000 if you don't drop down to
for power issue, they don't make plenty progress. Why you no want accept say Oga President na the love when he get na he make am reduce this thing. He reduce fuel money. Una complain say why they reduce fuel money. Una won't put suffering on top of Nigerians.
No, of course.
Who could be say the truth now? What is all this?
I will say the truth.
Thank you.
And I admit to the truth.
Say wetin.
The truth is this.
Say Oga President don't try. By this 50% when he reduce.
I'm being calm now. They calm.
Okay.
This is the truth.
Because you are wearing suit. That's why you are calm. Because you are wearing suit. Because you have changed your affiliation now.
Nigeria, the truth is this. We don't get a leader who don't sit down for power 6 years.
We don't get country where don't exist for how many years?
A leader will say before you come into power, megawatts be there on a high side.
Country where we say many people don't rule us before.
But now he come in, he drop. Okay, leader will say, oh, fine. 11 days to the election, in 6 years of introducing, now he say, yes, he won't slash down.
Is he not the president? Is he not the president?
Good morning, Napoleon.
Not to worry,
Good morning, Napoleon.
Hello?
Good morning.
Yeah, Mr. Okubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Napoleon.
Please, Mr. Chukwudi, please, hold on. What we are hearing at the background now is generator everywhere. We hardly have light.
Oh!
Excuse me, we hardly have light. This reduction is nothing but white paper, what they use to confuse people. Come to Aba, there is nothing like light.
Nothing.
There is nothing like light.
Nothing like light.
They increased my NEPA bill 4 times.
Hey!
They stopped reading my meter, telling me that I should go and pay. Just ask anybody down to about this transformation issue. We are not expressing it. Nothing like Federal Road. Aba is worse than disease. Ebola is even better.
Hey, Napoleon. Napoleon, thank you very much. I dey feel for you. Right now, I dey cry inside my mind.
Oga
because
Napoleon.
I know what they go through.
Oga
I know what
Napoleon.
in our community, in your state they go through.
Oga Napoleon.
No, Chukudi.
No, I make an address with Oga Napoleon.
You don't need to address it. This is the Nigeria where we say when they stake in one eye, see what they happen.
Oga Napoleon,
He said they
I
don't increase
appreciate
the
say you
bill.
call on
It
top of
never been 4 times.
to talk this matter. And I appreciate say you come and talk say power problem na major problem one, and you don't talk say they don't
road
they give you crazy bill. Yes. And now why the Oga president of this country, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the vanguard of transformation, the crusader, the unchangeable changer. Now when he don't come declare say may they reduce the price of NEPA by 50%. Remember say we don't discuss power problem since Nigeria getting independent.
Ogobiora, Biko, Ogobiora, do justice to the matter. Good morning, Ogobiora.
Good morning, How
yes, we dey fine.
Good morning.
Thank you very much, Ogobiora. I bet Chukma for this matter.
Today, I like just like transformation man today.
Yeah, so thank you. I just look different. No, not be transformation. I mean just want to look different.
Which different you want look?
Okay.
Ogobiora, Chukma.
You see what happen, eh? Today, I say you are back. You know the same matter where they say they remove for fuel, eh? Up to here, I'm said that I bought for 105 naira. Last 3 days, I bought for 110 naira. Here, instead of 7. Now they say they reduce the light to 50%. Yeah, maybe as I'm speaking to you now, maybe when I go on my gel, so that I will see some things and get some program like this one now. So, and remember, only my shop, they are telling me 5,000 something, and there is no light. We haven't done that now.
Thank you, Ogobiora.
So, when they say that they reduce the light to 50%, it's not realistic. You can't get the light because of getting the bill like that. Look at the fuel. Are we getting the fuel at 7 naira? So, it's very good something. But at the same time, sir,
It could be now they hear the voices of the poor masses.
By next month, if they bring the bill, I will still remind people to tell you how much they bring from me again.
So Ogobiora, thank you very much. Thank you.
Ogobiora, thank you very much.
Look,
I appreciate when Ogobiora don't talk.
I'm
waiting every Nigerian don't talk.
I appreciate and thank you for appreciating the plight of Nigeria.
Their statement now indication say power problem for this country. Now something when we say don't day from time immemorial. And the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan
is trying to wait.
Excuse me, through concerted effort, is trying to revitalize the power sector in Nigeria.
Revitalize.
The power sector.
Vivian from Aba, because just do justice to this matter. Now they get right from our area. Good morning.
I beg congratulate Nkubi. He know they wear suits.
No, Vivian, good morning.
He don't change. Transformation don't take over.
Good morning, Vivian. Vivian, you there?
You see him?
Hey, Vivian, you want to talk? Oh,
you see him?
The same way Oga Napoleon talk. Now you Vivian want talk.
I appreciate it. I go see address with Oga Napoleon. I go see address with Oga Napoleon talk.
Yes,
Oga Napoleon talk say everywhere they hear generator sound. Yeah. Everywhere they hear this.
And even at the hear me said they hear
Thank you very much. That time. Before Oga Jonah enter government, we get the government of Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. We rule Nigeria for 8 years. He don't tear in card and he don't join, he don't declare support.
Ogoke, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Nkovi.
Good morning, Ogoke.
Good morning, Shokodi.
Good morning, Ogoke.
I bet Chukma, because this thing they vex me.
What happened this year? As a slider, they cut and down to that 50%. I think it's a welcome development.
Thank you.
Okay, but
hello.
You there? Yeah.
Okay, because as you go see now, light no day now.
Yes.
And if he, in fact, now today make an open. Now today I even use light the wash now.
Hey.
You know the better.
Hey.
Wait, Mr. Kobe, calm down. You know it look too elegant. I don't comment about that one. This
okay.
Thank you. I better tell him.
So what happened? Be say he sees that so-called. There's nothing we go do for Nigeria. We go see them.
Thank you.
No matter what. So I believe say hello.
I can hear you.
Okay. I believe say that 50% of the thing as a cut and so when we begin to get this like they see now. When you talk about increase or whatever, we can think about it. But for now, it's okay, my brother. Thanks so much. I beg I pledge for peace. So
we also pledge peace too.
Thank you.
From waiting Oga okay, don't talk. Make I ask you this question now.
Ask me.
When God they create the heaven and the earth, it was a let there be light, there was light. Yes. Thank you very much. Now the Niger situation, you think saying a let there be light situation? Remember saying in 1960 Nigeria getting independence and up NEPA and something when we say you don't do every small picking
we don't say that
because of the problem when we get.
But under this government,
privatization of NEPA.
What is this government? Part of what is this government?
He don't privatize
power.
Let
there be further darkness and blackout.
It's a lie.
Now who they see here?
It's a lie.
Let there be further darkness and blackout.
It's a lie.
What is this a lie?
The government don't come out and say, let there be privatization. We don't see them. Let there be $1 billion. We don't see them. Let there be more gas.
How you take reflect for this whole sector?
Thank you very much.
Sector we will see.
2013, Nigeria government break the monopoly. Nigeria getting independence 1960. You can come from 1960 to 1999. Come put the problem on top of one man.
I never see light.
Which place would they stay?
I'm not going to be surprised if since Ogoki don dey call us, I'm not going to be surprised. If you cannot go dey surprised, it's the first time when they use light. When they use NEPA, they watch us with this. I'm not going to be surprised.
See, those of you now when they stay for between Cameroon.
Now, Ogai got the call us the other day. They tell us, Ogai got call us, tell us, look, say na generator you take watch us right now. Same time way would they say na generator they usually take watch us.
Thank you very much.
From Ogai go.
We they see.
Under this same transformation plan when I say that they give Nigeria.
We they see the introduction.
Transformation plan that they give Nigeria.
We they see the introduction of new ideas. Into the power sector.
How long will it take for these new ideas to take effect?
You no expect say just one day. Now in this problem we don't dey from time immemorial go say.
Power for 6 years.
Nigeria don't gain independence since 1960. Power problem from 1960. So when Oga Jonah enter, you expect them to do boom boom baba boom and everything goes up. He go do boom boom baba boom and everything goes up.
Just come out, call the test, say look, in first priority now to get rid of NEPA, make sure say good. NEPA,
we don't see privatization. That is the step in the right direction. That is the step in the right direction.
If you cannot do it, come out and tell Nigeria and say, see the people where they block the plan.
Make I give you one example.
It cannot work.
May I give you one example?
Look at the rise. Look at the sale of generator.
The
sale of generator is still on the rise.
May I give you one example?
The sale of generator is still on the rise. Why is it on the rise?
You get generator shop.